everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Ari. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you're not having a great day, I hope it goes better for you. If you have not subscribed yet, become a part of I don't know what to call you guys, the Devereaux Dynamites, the Dynamite Devereaux. You guys let me know. I don't know. Anyways, in today's video we are going to be doing a day in my life as like an Etsy shop owner. A lot of you guys have asked me about my Etsy shop and what made me motivated to start it, and you know, the whole process of that. So I thought I would take you guys through a day in my life of that and packing orders and doing orders and such. So yeah, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe already. If you haven't followed my social media, please follow it. It's down below in the description box below. And yeah, let's get on into the video. Bye. So right now what I'm going to be doing is kind of like looking at my Etsy shop and seeing what kind of orders I have. I don't have that many right now, but somebody in particular asked me to do their graduation sign for them, so I said of course. And it was crazy, you guys, because this person also had their bachelor in science in health sciences, and I got my bachelor in science in health sciences. So I'm just saying, nothing is ever coincidental. It's a sign from the universe. Anyways, we're not going on that spiel today. I digress. I will take you guys with me about how to do this order, since it's a sign and I have to like write what she wants, like a graduation sign, write what she wants on it, and then paint the back her school colors. And so yeah, you guys, this is what my Etsy shop looks like. You know, that's how many views I get a day, and then how many visits that I have as of like 5 hours ago, and I have one order. So this is my Etsy shop. It's designed by Devereaux. I will also be putting it down in the description box below. And yeah, I make a bunch of different paintings, and I am aiming on making a sign like this for this girl's graduation. She wants hers in gold, but the background to be red. So that's what I'm gonna do for her. So it shows here that I have an order that I gotta ship out. I don't want to show her information because it's confidentiality and that's privacy. But it says I need to get it out by May 28th, 2021, and I give free shipping with my orders. So one of the most important parts about your Etsy shop is getting together the supplies that you need in order to like fulfill the order. So we're gonna do that next. I would also like to take a quick second here in the video to say, if you have not watched my last video, go ahead and watch it. It's called Day in Our Lives, Crab Stream and Doodle. 10 out of 10 would recommend. Very good video. Very cute dog. Yeah. Alright, so here are my supplies. So far we got the acrylic plexiglass that I'm going to do the sign on. Alright, you guys, now I have everything else I need. Some red acrylic paint. The shade is Brilliant Red from Simply Acrylic. Next I have this paintbrush in case I need to like touch up or anything like that. Now I have this gold paint marker. It's a pen, but it's extra fine point by Artistro. I think that they have these, I believe, at Michael's. Yeah, I would just like to say, hey, they don't sell these at Michael's. If you go, you will be disappointed, so don't go to Michael's. I got these off of Amazon, but you'll see later on in the video how that affects me. My Etsy listing before, like I paint the back of it a different color, and this usually will like really help to bring it out and like is the easiest brush to work with. And yeah, let's get into it. Alright, you guys, so I'm showing you real life type things that happen sometimes with Etsy orders. If you're an Etsy owner, like shop owner, sometimes you run into things like you're not so sure about. It's always better to go ahead and assume it's always better to go ahead and ask the person who ordered from you to clarify, you know, what they want, rather than assume, because sometimes when you assume, it's not good and it's not what they want and they're disappointed. So right now I'm asking her if she wants the same font that's in the original listing, just to double check, because you never know. So we'll see how long it takes to respond. Okay, I have all my supplies like I said, and now I have a template of how I'm gonna, like, you know, lay out her name and her sign and such. So yeah. All right guys, hey, so this is what I'm using, the acrylic board, you know, here. So it has like this plastic film on it, so I'm gonna take it off, you know, a little satisfying moment. 1 second. If I can take it off, that would be nice. So sometimes when you buy them at Home Depot, they kind of come with some things on the side, like, because they have them in the back and they're kind of dirty sometimes. So what I like to do is wash them. That way you have a clean surface. Now I'm just drying it off with a microfiber towel, or else anything else will scratch it. So it's very important. So next step, I'm gonna start shaking this paint pen, because if you don't, nothing comes out. So I'll come back to you guys after I'm done tracing over the letters and the font to show you what it looks like. You guys, I just realized I stopped breathing for like the past like minute because I've been concentrated so hard. Guys, we've run into a problem. I have like a couple letters left and my marker's out. Okay. Okay, crisis averted. I found another marker, but it's kind of thick. I don't know if you guys can see it. Do you guys see it? It's thicker than this one, I mean, but like, it's better than nothing, right? Yeah, see, here's the part in the video that went wrong, and no, it's not better than nothing. You guys, it's not the same shade of gold. Okay, hey you guys, it's a different day, new vibes. So remember how I ran out of this marker for the gold? So I went back to Michael's, which is where I thought I got it from, and I picked up another, where is it? Well, like this, I thought it was this brand. Okay, or don't focus. It's the way when it focused, it was upside down for me. It was this brand, but it was not. So then I had to wait and be like, oh, I got this off of Amazon. I got it off of Amazon, you guys. So I ordered it, my paint pen markers, and they're here. So we're gonna continue this video today of my Etsy, you know, my orders, what I do. Yes. Okay, so as you guys can see, you know, this is it. But if you look closer, there are some like, you know, little bumps and stuff. But I'm going to go ahead and go back over that before I paint the back red. All right, so I'm waiting for that to dry. While we wait for this to dry, I'm gonna take a snack break. A snack break. Would anybody like a cookie? Anyone? Here, I'll share with you, okay? Cool. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm gonna eat now. All right, now that our snack break is over, I just want to take a second and let you guys know to be on the lookout soon for a bake with me / Q&A, and then you guys can comment down below what you want me to bake, like a cake, some cookies, a brownies. You let me know. What do the people want? What do you guys want me to bake? I'll bake it and I'll answer questions. If you guys have questions for me, you can leave them down below. It could be about school, life updates, me graduating, college, any of that. Doesn't matter. Now, what I'm gonna do next is, I don't know if I'm gonna use this one because it has like kind of a little bit of paint left, but then I don't want to like not have enough and then all of a sudden like I have to go use this, because I'm pretty sure these are not the same shade. Like look, Okay, honestly, I can't tell because I just can't tell. Anyways, so I'm gonna go ahead, probably use this with this brush and paint the back since the front side is already dry. Yeah, let's get on into it. All right, y'all, so my camera died, but I just want to give you guys some, like, you know, satisfying moments here. Me painting the back. And also, it's not like this perfect thing, you guys. Like, I just kind of do the back like this because, I don't know, makes it look like cool and stuff. Oh, y'all aren't even... Anyways, makes it look super cool, and yeah. All right, you guys, so now that I'm done painting it, now we gotta wait for it to dry. Now when I take it and turn it like this, this is what it looks like. I need one more coat, but I need to wait for this first one to dry. All right, you guys, this is the finished product. All right, you guys, so wow, I love that. All right, you guys, so today's a different day and today is shipping day. So if you order from me, you get a super nice personalized card. And yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna work on her card. Hey guys, so what you're seeing right now is me going to my Etsy shop, going back into Shop Manager. Then what I'm wanting to do is go ahead and print out like a order receipt that the girl has so she knows what she ordered from me and how much it cost. That's all of the information. So I go ahead and I go to the three little dots over here and I go to, oh, I guess I don't. Oh, what am I doing? I go to print and then I go to packing slips. And I click on order receipts and I press print orders and we're waiting. And then yeah, this is all the information, how much it costs, what she ordered from me, what kind of delivery method she had. And then I go ahead and I hit that print button, y'all. And then I print it. And yeah, it's really that much to it. Yeah. All right, you guys, so now I'm gonna get the shipping labels. Go ahead and hit that button, and then so you can put in like how much the package weighs and the length of it, all that stuff beforehand if you're going to pay for shipping. I got her priority mail, USPS priority. Then I go to review purchase. Then I go ahead and purchase that bad boy, or else I won't be able to send it out. Then I press print shipping labels. Then I go ahead and, well, it's really self-explanatory, you guys. You just print it out, you slap it on, and yeah, it's pretty fun, pretty fresh. Alright, you guys, so I forgot to record an outro, but it's okay, because you know what? I'm doing it right now. So, I hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you want more like this, comment down below. Don't forget to write your questions down below for my bake Q&A. And yeah, I hope you guys have a great day. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, love you guys. Bye!